Ever wondered how to effortlessly glide through your city, arriving at your destination with just a few taps? Well, today you'll learn how to master the Uber app for the very first time. First things first, you'll need the Uber app. Head over to your phone's app store, search for Uber, and tap to download it. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll be prompted to create an account. Simply enter your email or phone number and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile, including verifying your details. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the main screen. The most important part here is the Where To bar. Tap it to enter your destination. Type in your destination address, and the app will show you various ride options like UberX, Uber Black, or Uberxl, along with their estimated fares and arrival times. Choose the one that suits your needs. Before confirming, always check the fare estimate. It gives you a clear idea of how much your ride will cost. If you're happy with it, tap Confirm Ride to request your Uber. Once confirmed, you'll see your driver's details, their name, photo, car model, license plate number, and their real-time location on the map. This helps you easily identify your ride when it arrives. When your driver arrives, confirm their details before getting in. During your ride, you can track your progress on the app and even share your trip details with family or friends for safety. After your ride, you'll have the chance to rate your driver and provide feedback. This helps maintain a high-quality service for everyone. And that's it. You've successfully completed your first Uber ride.